In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your Git remote repository URL to GitHub. This is useful when you're moving your project to a new GitHub repository or updating an outdated remote URL. First, open your web browser and go to github.com, then sign in to your account. Open the GitHub repository you want to connect to your local project. Click the code button and copy the HTTPS URL of the repository. Now, open Git Bash or your terminal and navigate to your local Git repository using the cd command. Once you're inside the repository folder, type git remote v and press enter. This will show your current remote URL. Usually, the remote is named origin. Next, type git remote set URL origin followed by the GitHub URL you copied earlier and press enter. To verify the change, type git remote v again. You should now see your new GitHub URL listed for both fetch and push. Finally, test the connection by running git push origin main. If your branch has a different name, replace main with your branch name. If the push completes successfully, your local repository is now connected to GitHub. That's how to change your Git remote repository URL to GitHub. Thanks for watching.